Hey, it is already week 7. This is Professor G, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of week 7 and even week 8, actually. So, this week we have our ENT comprehensive final exam. And what is that? That is not an exam limited to the content that you've learned this semester. This is a comprehensive exam of the various things you would have learned during your time as an entrepreneurship major or minor. So it is comprehensive in the sense that it goes back to other classes that you have taken here at Central Michigan University. There are 50 questions on the exam. It is limited to 45 minutes. I cannot reset it. I cannot restart it. And you must finish it in one attempt only. So these are rules beyond me. In my course, they're standard for any section of 495. It is due the next Sunday, October 15th. 50 points possible. I will share with you that you're going to find this to be a fairly difficult exam because this may go back to stuff that you learned 2 years ago. So I have put together a comprehensive review study guide. I strongly encourage you to use that document because you're going to run into questions like this that you haven't seen in a long time. So, demand curve. Then you jump over here, the 4 factors of production. I put together a 50-page PDF that walks you through step by step the various types of questions on that review exam. I promise you, if you simply review the PowerPoint PDF that I have uploaded into the Week 7 folder, that you will do well on this exam. That's your assignment for this week. Study for that exam, take it, finish it before October 15th, midnight. You should also this week start working on project number 4, which is your new venture video pitch. What you're going to be doing here is essentially creating a PowerPoint. I have uploaded a sample PowerPoint into the course project. If you go to the course project folder, you will see project number 4. Click on that. There is an overview of the project, which I'll get to here in just a moment. There is a sample template that you can use for, let's call it just the content that we're looking for on this PowerPoint presentation. I do want you to change the look, the appearance, the design of the PowerPoint, make it your own, be creative. This video number 4 or project number 4 is worth 200 points. That's a lot. It is due Friday, October 20 by the end of the day. I cannot accept late submissions, doesn't matter what the cause is, because that is effectively the last day of our course for the 8-week term ends. The length, we're looking 5 to 7 minutes. If you're a few seconds, like if you're 4 minutes and 50 seconds, that's fine. Just try to get it close to 5 minutes, no longer than 7 minutes. What you're doing is you are recording a video pitch using your PowerPoint. You're going to walk me through the PowerPoint. And how can you do that? You can record it via Zoom, right? You can record it via Chipcast, which is the platform that CMU provides you. You can use any video recording platform that you want. You can record a video, upload it to YouTube, send me the link, whatever you want to do. You simply have to make certain that the privacy setting allows me to view. Very often I have students that will record a video, send me the link, I click on it, and the default privacy setting does not allow others to view. So check the default privacy setting on your video. Make sure that others can view the video. If you submit your video before the deadline, and then I go to grade it after the deadline has passed, and I click on it and I cannot open it, I have to give you 0 because the course is over. So please check the privacy setting on your video recording. Let's take a quick look at the project number 4 overview. What it is, you recording yourself doing a video pitch, privacy setting, make sure I can see it, length 5 to 7, video record, Zoom, Chipcast, anything you want, long as I can access it, meaning the link is accessible to me. The PowerPoint template has been provided in the folder for the project. It is Guy Kawasaki's 10 slides that you should have in every video pitch or every pitch. 200 points. It's due October 20. No late submissions. Tech issues will not extend the deadline. Why? Because you got 2 weeks to figure out the tech issues. If you have any questions about technology, shoot me an email or about anything. I will help you. I respond to emails 7 days a week, pretty much 24 hours a day. There is a grading rubric. The full rubric is in the week 4 folder. This is just a summary of it. It's all stuff that you've done already in this class. You've been building this business throughout the class. Now you're putting it together in the form of a PowerPoint and pitching it. So if you have any questions, reach out to me via email. This should be pretty straightforward for you, and looking forward to your creativity and your work. Thank you.